We are pleased to show you the 2015 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: OnStar, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, backup camera, one owner, alloy wheels, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.